So if you watch my Galaxy Note 10 Plus first look video, this package may actually look familiar to you. That's because I introduced the case that I was going to be using for that Note 10 Plus in that video, and I ended up making a separate video on that same case. I've been using it and I genuinely really like it. ArmadilloTek went ahead and sent me another one, but this time for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Just to check and see if I end up liking it as much as I do the one for the Note 10 Plus. As always, quick unboxing here. Packaging is pretty much the same as the one from last time. So what we have here is the case, of course. But the first thing that pops to my eyes is that you actually get a transparent protective layer here. The one for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus did not have this though. So that's a pretty good thing there because you're already saving money not buying a screen protector. So it's still a two-part case here. You would have your skeleton frame, and of course to go with that you have the back of the case, and on the inside of the back of the case you have these honeycomb shapes to help absorb the shock and protect the phone when it is dropped on its back. Also, you have the mini manual, which actually has the instructions on how to put your phone in the case. Now, I just like the style of these cases because they're just so rugged, but they're still cool looking cases. So on this case for the iPhone 11, you still have the kickstand here. It's a two-way kickstand for watching movies or any videos. Then of course you have the rubber here and these very rugged sides of the case. Now on the right side here, you would see at the top the power button. And on the other end of that, we have the hole cut out for the hold button. And of course we have the volume rocker up and down. Down below we have the Vanguard print right there, just confirming that this is a Vanguard series case. At the bottom, of course, you have the cutout hole for the charger and one for the microphone and one for the speaker. Now it's a pretty easy process to put your phone in here. You just go ahead and pop your phone into the skeleton frame and snap that skeleton frame against the back casing and you're pretty much done. So it sits very flush with the phone here. You still have a good amount of lip in case you were to drop the phone on the front. You also have this very clean cutout hole for the camera here. This is, by the way, to show that I've been using an ArmadilloTek case for my Note 10 Plus, and I've been really happy with it. The one for the iPhone 11 here has a very similar feel, so it's pretty rigid, pretty solid, and tells me that it's going to be pretty durable. If, of course, anything were to come up, definitely go ahead and let you guys know. Well, I hope this was informative. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.